I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Vodafone to EE, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Request a PAC code. Contact Vodafone to request supporting authorization code PAC. You can do this via their customer service number or through the My Vodafone app. The PAC code is usually valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with EE. Once you have your PAC code, visit an EE store or their website to sign up for a new plan. You'll need to provide the PAC code during the sign-up process to initiate the number transfer. Step 4. Insert your new SIM. After signing up, you'll receive a new SIM card from EE. Insert it into your phone and ensure it is activated. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. The number porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. You'll receive a confirmation once your number has been successfully transferred. Keep an eye on your old number to ensure it stops working, indicating a successful port. Switching your number doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps, and you'll be enjoying your new EE plan in no time.